Welcome to today's video. My name is Aaron. In today's video, I will be showing you some of PantryOn's most basic features. For some of you who are not familiar with today's product, PantryOn is the only intelligent kitchen and pantry appliance available on the market. It monitors items that you normally buy at a grocery store. To be more precise, it monitors the weight of each item. That's how PantryOn knows how much you have left. Let me explain further. As you begin to run low on these items, it populates a grocery list for you automatically. To do so, you'll need the Intelligent Pantry Appliance and the companion app. The app can be used as a standard grocery shopping app. Without the appliance, it just won't be automatic. Okay, so the app has been downloaded and installed already, and a PantryOn account has been set up. Now that the PantryOn account has been set up, you can start using the app immediately. From here, click the General tab, which are these three horizontal lines at the top of your screen. A black pop-out slide will appear. Here you'll see your profile, favorites, my family, PantryOn system, history, settings, feedback, and your logout option. Now let's dive into what each of these small tabs do. First is your Profile tab, which is your account customization tab. Here, you'll see your email, first, last name, address, and so on. You'll also have the option to add a profile picture by clicking the camera logo at the top of the screen. Your camera will open up and let you take a photo of anything you'd like. Let's say you forget your password while you're logged into the app, or you want to change your password. This would be the place to do that. Once you're done with this tab, click the green check mark to save your information. To leave the Profile tab, just click the back arrow on the top left-hand corner of your app, and you'll be taken back to your pantry. Remember the back arrow. You'll use it often to navigate around this app. The app is designed so that functions are consistent throughout the app. The second tab will be Favorites. I can see my favorite items here. I can also delete items. Now it asks me if I want to continue to delete the items. This actually isn't my app, so no. The third tab is my Family tab. From here, you have the ability to manage which family members can access information that you're looking at. Yes, you can sync several users and their devices on the same account so that everyone can view, and if you allow them to, manage your shopping lists and your PantryOn appliances. If you add them in as users only, for example, your kids, your mom, your auntie, or whomever, they can view your shopping list and your PantryOn appliance. We'll get to that in a few minutes. And they can make suggestions, okay? They can provide advice, but they cannot change anything on your app or the hardware because they're not admins on this account. So be careful when you add someone to your family that this someone is a user, not an admin. Now, if you add your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, life partner, etc., you probably want them to be an admin on the account. Why? This way, they'll be able to add or remove items from your list and your appliance. Also, they'll be able to manage the PantryOn appliance, which we'll get to in a few minutes. The fourth tab will be your PantryOn System tab. This is where you can connect your PantryOn appliance, if you have one, to your Wi-Fi. This is also where you can manage the functionality of the appliance. Check out our video on how to set up your PantryOn Intelligent Pantry Appliance. The fifth tab is your History tab. Here, you can find data about your consumption, use, purchase, and sensor history if you have a PantryOn appliance. There's data about food consumption and sensor use. I'm in the food history section. Here I can view the history of, let's say, corn. I can view it over the past 7 days, over the last 30 days, and the lifetime of corn purchases. Wow, this user is really into corn. The sixth tab is your Settings menu. Here, you'll have display settings or notification settings. In here, you'll see basically on-off switches. Real simple stuff. The 7th tab is feedback. While here, you can report a bug, ask questions, or provide feedback. We ask you to give feedback as often as possible for any reason. You can enter your text here. We'll just say hi. When you're finished, click done, and then submit. I hope you liked the video. More like it will be available in the coming weeks and months. Make sure you subscribe to stay in the loop. See ya!